Okay, so as I said, I'm not going to spend a lot of time on this, but again, because you're MBA students, to speak in your language, you want to be strategic about these loans. There's three kinds of student loans. If you have loans, you know this. There's Stafford loans, there's Graduate Plus loans, and private. And if you have undergraduate loans, you could have also Stafford loans and private loans. The two most important things to be strategic about are, number one, might you be eligible for and enter an income-based repayment program when you leave? Because if you are considering that, that has implications for whether you refinance, etc. So if you're in this position, you probably know that Graduate Plus and Stafford loans are eligible for income-based repayment, but private or not. You can also merge your undergraduate Stafford. And if you're thinking about doing public service loan forgiveness, and you go work for a nonprofit when you leave here, you want to think about these things now while you're still here. If that's not a consideration, you're going to make a lot of money, you don't have a lot of debt, you very well may want to refinance your loans when you leave here. You get a lower rate. My daughter refinanced her loans when she left here, for example, because you're a pretty good credit risk when you leave here and you have a job. So think through that stuff. Once you refinance, income-based repayment is never going to be an option for you. You've given up that option. And then lastly, you may be aware of this, it's becoming more and more common, but student loans have this special quality. For all intents and purposes, you can't discharge them in a bankruptcy ever. So be aware of that. You're going to pay back these loans one way or another over your lifetime. Question.
For refinancing, when should we be thinking about that? Like immediately when we graduate, or like a little bit later? When is the right time to start thinking about that?
The flow chart is, do I want to do income-based repayment? If the answer is no, then you could start thinking about it. The time to do it is when you have a job and you have a high income to show a lender. That's the time to do it. But the key point in the note in the decision tree is, I'm not doing income-based repayment, because you've given up that option forever.